Welcome at the Politricks Watch. This is Sir B. Now, over the course of the Klansman anti-gang trial, you've seen many images surface of the various gang members that got in and out of court. Right now, as we know, only 15 were convicted out of the initial 50 or 60 or so. Right. But we see man got in and out of court. Some of them use the court or the trial to put on a real show when it comes on to the swag. Man them pull out them best shoes and them best shirt. Some of them didn't care. It was like a day out at the health shop. Man look for see certain people, spot certain main individuals. We even see the Hellcat make an appearance, but kerchief overhead, mask on face. Well, I was waiting to see if Blackman Bryan, aka the Black Dog, as I'm calling the gang, was going to make an appearance, and finally have him. Not even a picture, it's a video. I'm gonna show you an updated Blackman Bryan. So today we're gonna see what Blackman is looking like these days. Maybe him gain weight, maybe him lose weight, maybe him stay the same. You will see. So as I said, we normally see pics like this in SP right now. That's Brains in the white t-shirt and clocks. Brains pull out in bossy clocks. And CJ, as in the same CJ that Justice Sykes said couldn't fire 8 shots because the gun only won 7. So that CJ and Brains handcuffed to each other. You see enough of them pictures, enough of them images, when them go in and out of court. Well, the one you've been waiting for is the Black Dog, and here he is. Now, as you can see, it look like Dog Panther drop off of him. He's lost weight for sure. He was not exactly known for being a heavyweight, but he definitely wasn't this thin. I don't know if it's because of dieting or the trial itself. You have to ask him that. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hold on. That's Blackman? Because the only other footage you would have seen, or the other image you would have seen, was the one with Blackman at the marina. But you're seeing him moving now. This is a video, I can say it's even better. But you're thinking to yourself, that's the infamous Blackman Bryan. That's one of the most feared men in Spanish Town. That's the man who all them hits that will get put out, all the stories you've been hearing, that's him. Let me guess, you were expecting somebody more physically imposing. I guess you were expecting somebody with a look on and say, no man, he's scary, like some kind of boogeyman type of figure. No, that's Blackman. Matter of fact, that's a typical Don. That's a typical quote-unquote bad man. Remember, badness is not about the strongest. It's not about who is the greatest warrior. It's not UFC. It's him or a gun and you not known. So you're afraid of him. So you see it for yourself. The Black Dog make an appearance. I mean, them call him teacher. But Blackman and full of papers, like in time teacher have example mark. There's a teacher walk around, pay paper in their hand and pay a folder. And so what you do? And they say, oh, I have example mark, so but I go take the whole day mark then. As a Blackman look like, say, I go mark some papers right now. And give some grades. This is a man who, as you heard in the C4 and SUS video, an opportunity presented itself, to go, do a diet coke work, make some money. And he was disgusted. Man fear dead. Him get care and anything there, for man dead. We're not telling about diet coke and money for. Man fear dead. That's how black man look on things. Right. But you must also consider this. Black man have intel that even the 2-star witnesses them don't have. At first it looked like black man was going to be the undisputed leader at clans, because Theme Faction was, delivering some heavy losses, right? Fantasia Faction. Enough people started switch. Right? Enough of you afraid big them, enough of you afraid politician them, and enough of you afraid cookie cops them, enough of you afraid artists. Yes, switch. Start telling him, say, yeah man, are you we are work with now, man, are you we are work with now. You are the new Dan now. You are the real Dan now. You see, enough of the big wigs them, right, who they jump ship from Tesha. Enough of them go link him on a Jones Avenue. He never allowed other people in the gang to meet in big wigs them. Not even Mama, not even the C4. Trucks, none of them. They carry him, pull up in a Jones Avenue, well tint up, and he would go sit in the car and then get back out of the car. And the most them would get is a local summary. I say all this to say, only black man know who these big wigs were when did I meet in a car. Only black man know what them they discuss. Only black man can reveal these people. So now I'm scratching my beard like an old ninja in a karate show. Thinking to myself, how can we get that info from the black dog without sending him back on the streets early? You see, this wouldn't be so hard if black man wasn't so obsessed with violence. This is how criminality works. The 87 have the intel upon the 90. But the 90 have the real intel upon the 116. The network where I always talk. The network that allow certain guns to drop in the Iron Man. The network will allow, right, certain things to happen. The network will allow, right, for those replace the 87, replace the 90. It's still intact. Right. Andre Blackman Bryan, as monstrous as he may be, when it comes on to having people killed, the death and destruction, right, there's no amount of time you can give Blackman to truly punish him if he thinks them do. But in the grand scheme of things, Blackman is another Dan in a long line of Dans, and there will be more Blackman. The network remains intact. The machine remains intact. To truly disrupt crime in Harriman, we need to put a spanner in that machine, bring it to a halt. That machine don't just help Klansman, it helps all the major gangs in Harriman. Look at how a machine operates. It have one part of it, so connected to that part, so connected to that part, so. The bank and C4, in their capacity as gang members, can help take down Blackman. But them can't take down the people them or Blackman that meet in a car tint up. Blackman can't do that. You see, this is where we need big time decision makers. People with some serious cojones in a government. Right. In the DPP office. Right. Start get unconventional. You see, if I was one of said people, which I'm not, because I'm a local YouTuber, but if I was, I'll go look for the black dog in a jail. See them right across from him face to face. And make him understand that he can make himself useful to Jamaica for once. Because he has so much intel, so much name. Man sitting in a jail 10, 20 years is not paying back no debt to society. I've never understood where that nonsense come from. Man sitting now and cell for 20 years and you're like, oh, he's paid his debt. How? You literally just got fed and sheltered for free for 20 years. Right? They never even have to build one sandcastle with their hand them. Never even sweat. That's not paying back the debt. When I think about somebody paying back debt to society, when I think about somebody who was a former criminal, right, turning the tide, I think about people like the banker. I think about people like C4. That is paying back debt to society. When you do a direct action that contribute, right, to saving lives or, reducing crime or something like that. Man just sit in jail for 20 years. But they know how that mean pay back the debt to society. I mean, they kill 15 people, they get convicted on one, go jail for 15 years. Didn't cost you a single dollar, they come back a road. It's the reason of the black dog. Make him know, sir. You are one of the few people who have this type of information we can help bring down some of these big wigs, some of these networks, and truly put a spanner in the machine. The machine that has already produced a termite, which is Blackman replacement. A machine that's already produced Smokey and Ezlim. Again, other replacement. Truly disrupt Ironman crime. Truly shake up the establishment. We're not talking about just CJ them got jail or just the black dog got jail. We're talking about somebody who nobody not expect. We're talking about crooked politician. We're talking about crooked big wig in a suit and tie. Claims him a quote unquote businessman. Right, we're talking about the linking at the station that continues to tip off gang members about who the witnesses are, so that man can go kill them. The black dog have all this information. Me not go reason him, me not go talk to him. Right. Definitely. There's a problem though. Because of the black dog's obsession with violence, you can't just give him no reduced sentence so easy. If only this brother wasn't so obsessed with murder, and he could go back on the streets and just fade away. However, depending on who him can help take down. You never know. It can't be the 87 though. There's no way me ever do that kind of negotiation or talking with Blackman to get your about a gunman. That's below theme level. Why would I want to listen to a 90 octane? Tell me about 87. I want the 90, tell me about the 116. When Uncle Sam was shaping up them RICO laws and start bringing out them cases against the mafia, right? Remember the mafia had infiltrated even the White House itself. Right? It was getting the 87, right, who worked with them to get out the 90, and the 90 get out the 116. That is how, right, Uncle Sam truly shake up Cosa Nostra with the RICO laws. Right? It goes up, right, not down. So the black dog can't come talk about, said the boy CJ down the road one time. We don't want to hear that. I tell him about that for. We don't want to hear nothing about 87 from Blackman. We'll go on, right, for the transatlantic gun shipment network. We'll go on for the MP. We'll go on for the councillor. We'll go on for the businessman. The people that move the black dog, they meet in a car, tint up. Other people in the gang can't meet, can't see, can't talk to. Them people there. And them make it easy for Blackman get replaced. Because they are the machine. They control the machine. So it just replace Blackman the termite. And it goes on and on. But if we truly want to put a spanner in the machine, we're going to need people like the banker, we're going to need people like C4. But the killer blow will come from people like the black dog. But how do you get him to work with you without giving him some kind of deal that will further, right, endanger more lives? Because he's not a man who will not meds. Things to consider. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.